An in-text citation helps to identify the source of information written in the body of the paper. Reader can locate the corresponding reference in the reference section at the end of the paper with the help of in-text citation. In-text citation should be included when you paraphrase from a source or quote from a source. Otherwise, you may suffer the consequences of plagiarism. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn about how to do in-text citation in the APA 7th edition format. Here, we will talk about what to include, what to do when we have multiple authors, what to do when same author has paper at different dates, what to do when you have missing resource. Alright, let's begin. In-text citation always consists of author's last name and the year the article was published. Sometimes, when you need to cite specific part, you can include that after a date. For example, for book, include a page. For video, include time. For web pages, include paragraph number. There are several websites which can help you generate APA citation as well. For example, go to scriber.com. Go to Citations tool. Click Citation Generator. Select the format as you can see here. APA 7 or APA 6 or MLA 9 or MLA 8. For this video, we will select APA 7. Select the type or source, for example, journal article. Then either use article title or DOI, that is date of issue. Let's use DOI of this paper, which you can find here. Copy DOI, paste it, click Cite, then the paper will pop up and select that paper. Now you can see in-text citation here and reference here. Now you can copy that in-text citation and paste it in your paper. It's very easy. There are other websites such as killboard.com, citethis4me.com, which can also help you generate citation. Always make sure to double check your citation at the end so that there is no mistake. Now, how can you do in-text citation in your paper? You can do it in two ways: narrative citation or parenthetical citation. For narrative citation, author's name and date appear within the sentence, usually at the start of the sentence as shown here. Whereas, parenthetical citation is placed at the end of the sentence, usually before the full stop or comma as shown here. When the paper you are citing has many authors, you need to use the term et al. Et al means and others. As shown in this table here, for only one author, use author name and year as shown here. Here it is Pokhrel 19. For two authors, use two authors' name with and between them and followed by the year. Here it is Pokhrel and Tiwari 2020. For three or more authors, use first author's last name, add et al. After that followed by comma and year. Here it is Pokhrel et al. 2020. Now, what to do when you have some information missing? If you don't know the author but you know the organization name, then you should use the organization name as shown here. You can see World Bank as the name of the organization. If you don't know the organization name, then you should use the title. You should format it the same way as in the reference list when using the title, whether in double quotation or italics as shown here. If the title is too long, you can shorten it during in-text citation. Now, what can you do if you have no publication year? In those cases, you can use ND for no date as shown here. Sometimes you need to quote a specific passage, but your source does not have a page number. In that case, you can use alternate locator. Those alternate locator could be chapter, paragraph, timestamp. Now, what would you do if you need to cite two authors with the same last name? In this case, include the first author's initials in all in-text citation as shown here. Sometimes you can have same author but several papers in the same year. In this case, you can use a lowercase letter after the year as shown here. That's it guys. Please check our other videos if you want to learn more about citation. We will see you again in next video. Until then, Watch we inspire and keep inspiring.